Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the bottle wash arm assembly in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. Detach the wash arm and support from the rack. Lower the two front middle tines and detach the tine clips. You can now detach the old bottle wash arm assembly. Install the new bottle wash arm assembly by aligning it on the front of the rack and snapping it into place. Reposition the front middle tines and secure them with the tine clips. Confirm the rubber washer is intact on the wash arm support. Then insert the support into the bottle wash arm. Align the clips with the rack and snap the assembly into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward.